keep that talk, man. Because that time you on my radio. Hello, boy, Machete. When's Machete kills the third car, man?
20. Yeah, I got some money at 131. But tell Postman, my friend out there, that 442 waving a 5 out there. Hey, 131, tell Postman I waved a 5. 442 got down. Bye. $28 and make you holler. $28 and make you hollers. $28 got down.
Good job. Don't worry about doing my job. Delivering the mail, right? Hey, man, 131, bad boy wants me to tell you that he's got...
Here we come again. Hey, 131, $28 should cover the postage. $28 should cover the postage. $28 getting on down.